Right, I've got to work out these answers in and give them in standard form. So 3 times 10 to the power 4 plus 2. So I'm going to use column addition. And 3 times 10 to the power 4 is 3. I've got to times it by 10 4 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And this one I've got to add 2.7 times by 10 twice. So times by 10 once will be 27, and then again will be 270. Add them up, 0, 7, 2, 0, 3, and I've got to put it in standard form, so that has to be a number between 1 and 10, so 3.027 times by 10 to the power of, and how far has the point got to move? So 3.027 is going to go 1, 2, 3, 4 places. Right, this one here. Now I could just write these out again. So 5 times 10 to the power 6 is 5 times 10 times 10 times 10 times 10 times 10 times 10 here. And then we got to times that by 7 times by 10 times 10 times 10 times 10. That's 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I wouldn't normally do it this way, but that's what it actually means. When we multiply numbers together, it doesn't matter which order we do them in. So I would do the 5 times the 7 first. That gives me 35. And then it's be times 10. How many times? Well, I've got 6 here and another 8 here, so that's 14 altogether. Unfortunately, that's not in standard form because it has to be a number between 1 and 10. So it's got to be 3.5 times 10 to the power of, well, if it's 3.5, I'd have to times it by 10 once to get to 35, and then I'd have to times it by another 14 tens. So the answer is 3.5 times 10 to the power of 15. And finally, this one to estimate. Generally speaking, the rule is let's just put everything to one significant figure. So that'll be 0.6. That will be times by 8 divided by 0.3. You'd get 1 mark just for doing that. You'd probably get 1 mark for saying 0.5 times 8, which I know is easier, but actually I think this is going to be quite sweet. 6 8's 48, but it's got 1 number after decimal place, so this one needs 1 number after decimal place. So it's 4.8 over 0.3, and that is the square root of 48 over 3, because I can times top and bottom by 10 of this fraction. And if I do 48 divide by 3, 3 goes into 4 once with 1 left over, that's 16. So that equals the same as the square root of 16. So the approximation is 4. If you had rounded these things differently, and 0.5 was probably what I would have thought as well, but generally say go one significant figure. And that's 12 done.